Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. This is your host Nami. I'm gonna make an analysis on the gold chart for today. We are nearly 1 hour and a half to New York Open. This is a weekly chart. As you can see, we came down and tapped to 1800, nearly 1810. I'm gonna go to the daily to see more details. Nothing moved so far today. I'm going to 4 hour. These zones that you are seeing, this is the same as the previous video. I'm gonna put it on the top. You can click and check that. I made the trade and put an update video about it. These are the same zones. I didn't touch them. This is the 4 hour. Well, we see the long wicks. These are rejections. So heavy rejections from both sides. So for the past 8 bars, 1 day and 8 hours, price were nearly in this range. This is a very, very messy area. I'm not suggesting anyone to trade this area. You see many rejections, many wicks, small bodies and many wicks. That means low volume on the market in these hours and many rejections. Each of them can be rejected and make your profits gone. So the clear range here is this area and this area. But this is not a small range. As you can see, it's a 100 pip range. We can get a beautiful 20 pip range trade, So trend is bearish, but because we were so bearish for the past couple of days, I'm looking for a little retest for any of these zones here. So I'm gonna wait for a little confirmation to close a candle above this area like this. As you can see, price couldn't pass this resistance here. This is our support in the bottom. This is a resistance. So I'm gonna wait for any candle, 1 hour candle, to close above this area. And then I'm gonna go for a 20 pip trade on the long here. Or that was the first scenario. The second scenario for today is let me see, is if we get any close below these bodies, and if we have a momentum, I might get a short to this area. We have more clean range here, 30 pip, 35 pips, and for here you see many resistance made, or in the other side many supports were made before, which on the 1 hour it looks so messy, these bodies, small bodies and long wicks. So everything is probability. We have to wait for market to see what price gonna move. Let's check the calendar. Okay. So today, 4th of October, Wednesday, the most impact news is ADP, which is going to be in 1 hour and like 15 minutes, half an hour, 1.5 hours later. So it's going to be the employment change, which the data were released last week, and this is the change number. So this can move market a little bit, and also this PMI, Producer Manager Index. So this is 2 hours after New York Open, 2.5 hours. So today we have to wait for New York Open. I prefer to wait, not taking any position on pre-New York as it is now. I'm gonna wait for New York Open to see how volume gonna come in, because there is little volume. As you see, I told you the small body means no volume. At these long weeks rejections, very messy and risky area to trade. So I'm gonna wait for New York Open, and after that I'm gonna decide I will go for scenario 1, the small trade, 20 pip for here, which is very risky because of these rejections, or the scenario 2 to taking the short position here. For the short position, my stop loss going to be above these weeks, and for the long one, I'm gonna have around here. But I'm gonna manage my risk and try to lose and lost a little bit less than what I anticipate. So on the 4 hour, let's check again. These rejections give me the sense of the price gonna bounce up a bit. So I prefer for higher time frame confirmation, 4 hour and 1 hour for today. And let's wait for New York Open and New York Stock Exchange Open, New York SE Open, to see how much volume gonna be in the market. After that, let's check some newses. I have some crypto news. Ripple, XRP, it's official. Ripple now fully licensed to provide digital payment token services in Singapore. I have a very complete analysis on XRP, on-chain, social, technical, everything. I made the video yesterday. I'm gonna put the link on top. You can click on it and check it. Another news is going to be around XRP, which judge reject SEC's motion to file an appeal against Ripple ruling. These are our very beautiful news for XRP. I'm suggesting that go and check my analysis on the XRP. You will get the point. And again, another XRP, which get the payment license in Singapore, for the Ripple. So guys, I don't make it any longer. That's it for today. And now I might upload an update for the gold trade later on today. Have a nice week and day. Stay safe. Don't overtrade and over risk.